Imagine creating professional cinematic videos without ever stepping on set. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Meet Higgsfield, one of the fastest-growing AI platforms for creators in 2026. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just someone who loves experimenting with visuals, Higgsfield gives you the power to turn ideas into full-motion films, all with a few clicks. Now, I know what you might be thinking. AI video? That's probably complicated, right? Not at all. Higgsfield was designed to be creator-friendly, meaning you don't need to be a tech wizard or a professional editor to make cinematic shots. In this video, I'll take you inside Higgsfield, show you exactly how it works, and give you a step-by-step demo using Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, WAN 2.5, and Cinema Studio. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create stunning AI videos that look and feel like real cinematic productions. And the best part? You don't need expensive cameras, actors, or studios. If you can describe a scene, you can make it happen. So grab your notebook, think of a concept, and let's dive in. Before we jump into the tools, let's talk about why Higgsfield is different. Most AI video platforms are limited. They might create short clips or visuals that don't match your idea exactly. Higgsfield changes all of that. End-to-end workflow. From concept to fully produced video, everything happens in one platform. Multiple top-tier AI models. Nano Banana Pro for high-resolution visuals, Kling 2.6 Audio for synced voice and sound, WAN 2.5 for culture-native, unrestricted content, and Cinema Studio, the first true end-to-end AI filmmaking pipeline. Full control over every element: camera angles, motion, lighting, and even text in the scene. In short, Higgsfield lets creators think like directors, but create like pros, all from their browser. Let's start with Nano Banana Pro. This is the AI model that handles high-resolution visuals, producing crisp 2K and 4K imagery that's production-ready. What makes Nano Banana Pro stand out? Sharp, legible text, perfect for headlines, UI, packaging, or diagrams. Visual reasoning. It understands numbers, objects, and relationships to generate logical visuals. Strong character consistency. Faces, outfits, and angles remain stable across frames. As you can see, it turns a text prompt into realistic visuals instantly, without losing clarity or detail. Next up is Kling 2.6 Audio, which takes your visuals to the next level by adding synchronized voice, sound effects, and ambience. With Kling 2.6, you can create a fully realized scene in one pass. Enjoy perfect lip sync and motion for characters, get ambient sounds that automatically match your setting. No need for separate audio editors or complicated software. Everything happens in Higgsfield. Now let's talk about WAN 2.5. This model is unrestricted and culture-aware, capable of handling bold, creative prompts, stylized content, and internet-native language. Lip sync, voiceover, sound effects, and camera movement are perfectly aligned. Supports TikTok, Reels, and YouTube formats. Generates up to 10 seconds per prompt, allowing more experimental shots. WAN 2.5 is perfect for creators who want to push boundaries while staying culturally relevant. Finally, we have Cinema Studio, the first true end-to-end AI filmmaking pipeline. Here's what makes it revolutionary. Unified workflow, from text to image to video, no jumping between apps. Cinematic accuracy, camera and lens profiles, proper framing, and consistent lighting. Film aesthetics built in. Texture, mood, and tone are automatically applied. Cinema Studio makes it easy to produce film-like quality videos in minutes, something that used to take days or weeks with a traditional crew. Here are some quick tips to maximize Higgsfield. Start with a clear concept. Write down exactly what you want to see. Use the Media Kit. Higgsfield provides ready-to-use templates to spark creativity. Experiment with different models. Nano Banana for visuals, Kling for audio, WAN for bold scenes. preview before rendering. Subtle tweaks in framing or lighting can make your video look cinematic. Remember, if you can describe a scene, Higgsfield can bring it to life. So whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just curious about AI, Higgsfield lets you create professional quality videos faster than ever before. Check the links in the description to start generating your own AI videos today. And don't forget to explore Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, WAN 2.5, and Cinema Studio. Each one will take your content to the next level. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. We've got more AI tools, tips, and tutorials coming your way. Until next time, create boldly, experiment freely, and let your imagination run wild with AI.
Wow, can you imagine the possibilities here? Just a few years ago, creating cinematic shots like this would have required a full production crew, expensive cameras, lighting rigs, and actors. Now, with Higgsfield, all of that fits into your browser. And what's really amazing is how intuitive it is. Even if this is your first time using AI video tools, the platform walks you through everything. You don't have to memorize complex software shortcuts or worry about rendering errors. It's truly plug and play, but still gives you professional level control over every frame. One thing I love about Higgsfield is how much creative freedom it gives you. You can experiment with camera angles, lighting, and even the tiniest details in your scene, and the AI just gets it. If you can describe it, it appears on screen almost instantly. Now, think about the kinds of videos you could make with this. You could create a short film, a music video, an animated commercial, or even TikTok and Reels content that looks completely polished and cinematic. The best part is, you're limited only by your imagination, not by gear or budget. I also want you to pause and imagine the time you save. Scenes that normally take hours or even days to shoot can now be generated in minutes. And the quality? It's stunning. Sharp visuals, perfectly synced audio, consistent characters, everything looks like a real production. So as we go through this demo, I want you to think about one project you've always wanted to make. Keep that in mind, because by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how Higgsfield can bring it to life. No crew required. And if you're anything like me, you'll probably get inspired halfway through and start imagining dozens of new projects. That's the fun of using AI creatively. The ideas just keep